Hi guys, myself again in this video we shall see another problem on LeetCode. Power of x comma n. So implement power x comma n which calculates x raised to the power of n, that is x power n. So given two integers x and n, we have to calculate x power n. X power. So power you know as usual. If you have 2 power 3, then you multiply 2 3 times. So that is what power means. Those many number of times you So now one case which you need to think of is, so they have said, let's see in the example, this exponential ranges from 2 power 31 to 2 power 31 minus 1. There is a range of n. So the expansion of minus 2 power 31 to 2 power 31 minus 1 is this. So when you calculate the power, usually what we can do, if they are given exponential as 2 power minus 3, then we not to worry much. We can calculate 2 power 3 and at last answer will get it as 2. So at last you can return the answer as 1 by 2 power 3. So this is what we can do. Hence whatever exponential we get, we have to convert into positive number. So how do we convert into positive number? Take the absolute of that, not absolute. But before taking this, you could say this negative number 2147483648. So if you want to take the absolute of this number, that will be plus 21476. That doesn't come in this range. You could see here. Last is 7, not 8. So int won't be sufficient if you need to handle this edge case. If the exponential is 2 power minus this, then you cannot convert this to an absolute of n. So that's why you have to take long. So we know long ranges from 2 power minus 63, minus 2 power 63 to 2 power 63 minus 1. It is a very large number and this will include this edge case. So what we do, instead of taking absolute of direct n, we take absolute of long of n. Long of n. So let that name absolute n. Absolute n method absolute of long of n. Method absolute. This is the first step. Next, how do we calculate the power? So in the normal approach, what we can do, if 2 power 10 we need to find, then n equal to 10. Just multiply the two 10 times by giving the for loop. That is one method where you can get the exponential, and at last if it is 2 power minus 10, you just divide the result by 1 by res as a result. Otherwise, if it is 2 power 10, directly return the result. This is one method. But what is the other efficient method to do? If it is 2 power 10, so what we can do is we start with 2. 2 into 2, how much? 4. So 4 from 4 into 4, that will give you 16. 16, 16, 256. So 2 power 10 is 1024. And 256 and 250 will be greater than 1024, so which is not required. We'll stop here. So this is nothing but 2 power 1. Here it is 2 power 2, 2 power 4, and this is 2 power 8. So once you have 2 power 8, next 2 more into 2 if you do, that is 2 power 2 in total, we'll get it as 104. This if you observe carefully, we started off here, initially the exponential was 10. Then we multiplied 2 into 2. So since we did the multiplication, just left shift the exponential by 1 position. So that will be 10 by 5, 10 by 2, which will give you 5. Next again you multiply 4 into 4. So again left shift by 1 position, that is 5 by 2 will be equal to 2. Then again here 256 you multiplied and got it So 2 by 2 will be 1. Next, if you do for the next position, if I tell 1 by 2 will be 0, hence not required. So this is what we did. So initially 10 was there, then 5, then 2, then 1. And here, if 10 in the binary format, we know that for all the even numbers, the least significant will be 0, and for odd numbers, it will be 1. So for this, least significant will be 0, 1, 0, and 1. If you observe the extra 2 which we require, whenever you get the rightmost bit, like the least significant bit as 1, that is odd number, what you do is you multiply the result by this value. We will have result initially that let that be equal to 1. So here what you do, if it is 10, you just compute x into x equal to x star x. That will give you x equal to 4. Next again 10 by 2 perform. So 5 is an odd number. So this time you do result equal to res into x. That will give you x into result will be 4. So next come here. So now x equal to 4, right? So 5 by 2 is 2. Hence it is even. So 4 star 4 you do. That will give you 16. This is even. So now you have to perform this operation. Again come to this position. Here it is 1. So this time you do result equal to result star x. So 4 star 16 you do. And again here if you come, um, that will be 16 star 68. And this operation we have to perform for all the iteration. We have to do this result equal to result star x only if the least significant bit is 1. That is whatever you divide exponent by 2 and that gives you an odd number, then you have to multiply result equal to result star x. So at last you multiply by 16 that will result to 1024. So this is the answer. So logically if you think, we have 2 power 10. So 2 power 10 we have. So this can be written as of 2 power 2 whole power 5. So that is nothing but 2 into 2 whole power 5. That will give you 4 power 5. Next 4 power 5 if you take, how can you write this exponent in the even form? 4 into 4 power 4. So this is where this 4 comes in. Okay. So 4 into 4 power 4. So if you take 4 power 4, you can write it as 4 power 2 whole square. That is 4 into 4 whole square. That will be 16 power 2. Again same thing for 16 also. 16 power 2 you can write it as 16 into 16 whole power 1. So this will result in 256 whole power 1. So last 256 whole power 1 can be written as 256 into 256 whole power 0. So this will give you 1 and here it is 1. So you stop it to 2 power 56. So until you get the exponential n value, absolute n greater than 0, what you have to do is you have to check if absolute n modulus 2 is equal to 1. If that is 1, then you perform RAS equal to RAS star x. And then you perform x equal to x star x and APS will be divided by 2. This is the logic. We'll code this. So initial, as I said before, long equal to absolute length. We take long of n and you take the absolute of this. Reason behind that is, as I said, the range. So next what you do is, so check while absolute n greater than 0, if absolute length modulus 2 equal to 1, then what you have to do? RES. So yeah, result should be in double as I have given. Result equal to 1.0 here, right? So result equal to result star x, you can write as result star equals to x. So next, along with that, x star equal to x. So x equal to x star x we do. And similarly, x equal to x star x. Shortly we write it x star equal to x. And also along with that, yeah, absolute also have to divide by 2 equal to 2. So at last, you have to return. You have to check here, you have to give the condition. If n is greater than 0, then okay, we will return the result. What if n is less than 0? N less than 0, question mark, then 1 by result you have to return. Otherwise, you return the result. Yeah. Successfully submitted. If you have any doubts, please drop in the comment section. We'll come up with another video in the next session. And please subscribe to the channel and keep learning. Thank you.